Okay, look at the keywords and identify the double entry, what to debit and credit. So for receive in advance, the answer will be commission and commission received in advance. When we have prepaid, that is prepaid and rent. Then the next one, in this case, it is may not be collectible, it's an estimate. So it is a case not of bankrupt but of impairment loss and allowance. Then we have the next one, which is depreciation. That is straightforward. Depreciation will be depreciation accumulated, depreciation, and likewise the same thing. Then the next part we need to figure is the calculation. To do a calculation, first one is obvious, it's just a number. Second one as well. For the third one, when we do this, then we have to do the calculation of finding the ending allowance. So to find the ending allowance, we will need to use the trade receivable multiplied by the percentage. Where do we get the trade receivable amount? We will go to our trial balance, look for trade receivable. So 41600 times the percentage which is given here as 5% of the receivable not collected. So this is your ending balance. So with your ending balance, all you need to do now is to use a formula E plus B minus S. So ending is 2080. Then your bankrupt, there is no bankrupt in the question, so it's 0. And S is your starting allowance. As you see in your trial balance, there is no starting allowance. Therefore, it's 0. That's how you get 2080. Next, we do our depreciation. So for reducing balance, means you have to do a reduction first. So that's why it's cost minus AD. There is a minus here. Alright, so the cost and the AD is gotten from the trial balance. So you look at the trial balance, the cost of the motor vehicle, alright, and then the AD of the motor vehicle, so 160,000 and 8,000. Then we multiply by a percentage which is given by the question. Okay, then the last one we want to do just depreciation on cost. So on cost is just directly on the cost. Then the cost is also got you get it also from our trial balance. So we go to our trial balance 48,000. Therefore, it will be just 48,000 times 15%. And that's how you get your numbers.